Karon mo ato mi karon og CDO. With my kids and family and barkada, we go to the feast. Hi guys. Say hi for the vlog. Ato may karon dito sa kuan kay ato may sa feast ko. So, let's go. So, palakaw na meron. Mo ato na mi. Oh, hi guys. Say hi to the cam. Where are you going? Huh? Sige, tama ito. Cagayan. It's your first time to go there. We're going to Cagayan de Oro. We're just waiting for our friends to be here kasi muna mo sabayan ka. Right? Yeah!
Tingnan lang dyan sa Rick Vlog.
Tulog na po. Ano na sila guys?
Hello! We're ready!
Hi guys!
For another feast can.
A few moments later.
Nga namin dili karon sa Valencia guys. Hi. You good? Okay, wait na kami ha. Wait ka sorry. Okay ka bro? Okay kayo. Stop sa Valencia. Hi. Jackie boy, say hi to the vlog.
Jackie boy, say hi daw sa
Say hi to the vlog. Jackie boy. Hi vlogging. Kami nagkaroon sa Bukidnon. Hi kami sa Valencia.
We're here at Valencia.
Gotta be 3 hours. Time check. It's 12:26 a.m.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, abot kami dali guys.
Thank you.
Salamat. Junit na pa dia.
Salamat, driver. Ilay bayad.
Pamilitin na mo guys. Pearl Center Building.
Oras kay 3:16 in the morning. Manghipos may manghipos kay grabe ka kapoy sa mga drive tulog na ko guys. Ay, abot na yun guys. Nakabuyag drive grabe.
Good night and good morning.
Ako na daan mo grabe
Good morning.
Abuyag drive guys. Pambati ang Everest grabe.
And look at the aircon.
Oh, yes. Hi. Good job, dear daddy.
Kanam din sa kwarto. Hey na.
Nemo socks.
How's your travel? Sleep lang ka. Zaki, how's your travel? Good?
Yeah. There's two.
Say hi to the cam.
Wait, which one is this? Look at the bed.
No? You like the bed?
Yeah. And there's a towel in the bed.
Yeah.
There's a
Towel.
yeah, there's a towel.
It's a movie. It's a movie.
Oh, you've got Lano.
Look at the remote. Look at the remote.
Look at the remote.
So yeah, that's it for this video guys. We're back
Daddy,
tomorrow.
there's a garbage.
Okay. Back tomorrow so the boy. We're here safe and sound. Thank you Lord. That's fine.
Of it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too.